Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can rotate video in GoPro Quik app. So let's go and let's do that. So I will jump directly to the studio where I have my edits. So I will click on my edits right here, just like that. And then under the edit, I need to wait a little bit that everything loads up. Now what I can do is go here to the formatting, I guess. Yeah. And as you can see here, I can change format. Okay, so I will go here to the clip, just like that. Sorry, yeah. To the clip and then click on edit and then you have here frame. And now what I can do is rotate this frame however I want. So just like that. I can also flip it horizontally, vertically. Fit. I show you before, and yeah, this is basically it. As you can see, I can rotate it and adjust however I like. And that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next